non-stop and ever-smiling district supervisor, Dr. Silvino Isideo Jr., to our esteemed and beautiful principal, Mrs. Genevieve Carrillo, school heads, barangay officials and PTA officials, responsible teachers of this school, proud parents and dear graduates, visitors, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all of you. Before we begin, pwede po ba bang sabi sa mga katabi natin, mapalad ka at nandito ka ngayon?
Mapalad ka at nandito ka ngayon.
Okay, thank you. So, March of 2000, I was also seated there thinking what will be the next stage of my life. It was during that time when I kept asking myself the following questions. Pagbasahin lang na natatang ko, pagbasahan mata, kayang mata. Now, who would have thought that a girl who came from a very poor family of this barangay would be given a chance to speak in front of you right now? My dear graduates, I know you are excited to receive your diploma. Maybe you are telling yourself that you are done with the first step of your life, that this is just the beginning of many more battles and challenges to help you become better and more competitive individuals. Life is not a highway. It is an intertwined path of happiness, joys, pains, and sorrows. So, you need to know where to go. You know how difficult life is nowadays. Sino ba sa inyo ngayon dito ang hindi nakakaranas ng hirap? Diba? Gagayan ka kakapsat, halos si tayo ang amin dito nga barangay ket nabobobre. Okay, diba? Halos amin ket agtal-talon lang. Okay. So, if you try to observe the situation or the condition of our society today, life is becoming harder and harder. Now, what will be your armor in this fast-changing world, my dear graduates? It's education. This is the key for us to reach our dreams and aspirations in life. When I was still studying, my parents would always tell me these words. Bibi, basta ang alalaing tanatalang may patawid bitin ka. Seeing the situation of my family, I obeyed what they told me. In the world where we live in right now, many societal problems have come to pass. We have been in a chaotic world. War of different countries, has now makikita yung natang kapsat kaya siguro hindi sa bali na nasyon, hindi Libya, guys. Natural calamities, misunderstanding of people, death penalty, drugs, orange bill, overpower, love, understanding, solidarity, and peace. As a new graduate, you are now a partner towards transformational society that would then answer to a societal change. A change that would be of benefit not only to few people, but it is for all. I know you can do something to make our society a better place to live in, or inuupin kayo pailain. How? Again, it's through education. By simply applying the values we learn in school, this would be of great help, or this would have a great impact in our society. Our education must be accompanied with self-discipline. Sa dadagilog duman, iba'y magana, walay nakabasa dagat, sa bali magdadati, o babrahin na. Even if you are educated, you cannot do anything that pleases you to do. You need also to consider the people around you in order for us to have a harmonious society. You need to do what is good and avoid what is evil. And once you make a decision, see to it that it is for the common good. Dear graduates, please become aware of the situation of the world. Our society needs you to become a partner in building a world full of love and peace. As you take another chapter of your life, I know that problems would always be in your way. But no matter what happens, do not be afraid to face it. I know you know me. taga-Dipinak, di ba? Pero, pampano niyo siguro? Kasalungat nga nakabasa dahil itong ngobing. Karpintero lang ni tatang na. Ako mo yung siguro yung tatang ko. Ilagaw na kay Dum si Martilio. Kaya hihinang mo dyan, di ba? Ako mo yun. Awan trabaho na, kilay-kilay. Amo yun yung kasalong na karigat si Yagmin. Yes? My father is merely a carpenter, but I am not ashamed to tell you na nagapunak si pamilya si Harikrigan. Diyan, ibain na pobre kami. Eh, diba? I am proud of what I have. For what is important in this life is not what you have, but it's all who you are. Important kung sino ka, hanggang tiyatakin ka. High school lang pa ilang marigrigatong dalawang papasa kanya kun. Uway to. 20 pesos lang tikot na kumapanagbasa. So, okay. How much more nung galing sa call? Narinig nyo naman kanina, I studied in St. Louis, sa private school. So, tuition fee pa lang ang privilege. Every weekend, amok nga, ang problema ni Ida, sinitatang kulto, nyaman ni Pawitang niya mo. Pero, uray nung madaling sa allowance ko, or uray nung basit, or hanggang makalay sa allowance kayo sa kanya, hanap ka nag-baby. Nagamin amok, tumasalang ko discussion na di manay. But I tell you, my dear graduates, I never stopped dreaming. I never stopped believing that in due time, I will reach all my dreams in life despite the problems that I've encountered. Poverty is not a hindrance for you to become what you want to be. Never be afraid of failure because it's our great teacher. Bigyan niyo madalay si wala. Okay. As written by Michael Lowe, failure gives us lessons money can buy. Diba yung sudah magsusurungan niya tayo? It is our stepping stone, not our stumbling block. It is our long post, not a love shade. It is the lighthouse of our life. It is our great motivator. It is the Father's will to mold our future and anvil to sharpen our skills and bridge over difficult times. Always remember, there is no success without failure. Kung kayo, adik ko, magbasa kayo malalaing, dahil hindi magbagatan itinagal ng view, saan matangkin, dahil itumulo yun. Basta, always remember and just pray to God. Dear parents, I know you are all proud because of the achievement made by your children. Continue to guide and support them in all their dreams so that someday, if they will be able to fulfill those dreams, you can proudly say, anak ko yan. Dear graduates, keep on believing in your dreams. If someday you'll already be at the pedestal, always look back to where you started. Thank God that all the people, especially your parents, will help you reach and surpass all the possibilities of life. Reach all your dreams so that you can help build a better world. Congratulations and may God bless you as you leave the portals of your alma mater. Thank you.